Hello and welcome to the Gold and Silver Club Week Ahead Commodity Report, the non-members edition for the 25th to the 29th of September 2017, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. Today we will be analysing the latest developments in the commodity markets and discussing our outlook for the week ahead. The live session will be covering commodity market outlook, a snapshot of the latest developments, trade watch list with our trade idea of the week, and a review of our recent top trades using our exclusive research-driven strategies. Let me introduce you to the Gold and Silver Club. The Gold and Silver Club is regarded as the go-to authority on commodities trading, as internationally respected experts. Our analysis and our opinions on the metals, energy, agriculture and the cryptocurrency markets are routinely sought by major financial television channels and publications, which include Bloomberg, Reuters, CNBC, the Financial Times, the Wall Street Journal. Our team of experts has trained and mentored over 100,000 private traders from all over the world to increase their wealth and generate substantial income through commodities using our exclusive research-driven strategies. For more information on the Gold and Silver Club and our expertise, please do visit www.thegoldandsilverclub.com. Commodity market outlook, a snapshot of the latest developments. After signalling last week that the Federal Reserve still intends to raise rates in December, the Fed is keeping itself in the market sights this week due to deliver a speech titled Inflation, Uncertainty and Monetary Policy at the National Association for Business Economics annual meeting on Tuesday. Her comments will be monitored closely for any new insights into the Fed's monetary policy. Also on Monday, ECB President Mario Draghi will testify about the economy and monetary developments in Brussels. Draghi is scheduled to speak again on Friday at a conference hosted by the Bank of England in London. At his latest speech, Draghi mentioned that the ECB is ready to cut its QE program in October. This fact will cause traders to keep a close eye on current statements as the date for the next ECB meeting is approaching, and any comments by Draghi could lead to market volatility. This week, the Bank of Japan governor is also scheduled to speak in Osaka on Monday and is scheduled to speak again on Thursday at the National Securities Industry Convention in Tokyo. The Japanese central bank kept monetary policy steady last week as a new board member dissented in favor of further monetary easing, saying current policy was inefficient to push inflation up to the bank's 2% target. Trade watch list, our trade idea of the week. Today we're going to take a closer look at both WTI crude oil and also Brent crude oil that have risen over 15% in the last 3 months. In fact, on Friday we saw Brent crude oil break out to 5-month highs after a major producers meeting in Vienna, in which oil ministers said that a decision on extending cuts could be taken in November when OPEC holds its next formal meeting. On Friday we also had the Baker Hughes oil rig count data, and that data showed us that oil drillers cut rigs for a third week in a row, the least since June, pushing up prices into the close. Last week's commitment of traders data shows us that hedge funds have raised bullish bets on US crude oil to 1-month highs as prices have hit 5-month highs into the close on Friday. So with that, we'll talk you through our trade idea and what we're looking at here on the charts as we move into a fresh week. So first of all, if we have a look at the price structure of Brent crude oil here, we can in fact see where we've now closed on Friday at the highest level since March of 2017, and you can see where we've continued to maintain this overall upward trend. At the moment we are coming into some resistance here on Brent crude oil at the 5-month highs at $56.50 per barrel. So essentially moves back to $55 at this point are still to be treated as opportunities to re-enter into a buy unless we were to break and close below all of this underlying support which has been in place over the month of September so far. So from a trade idea point of view, we continue to look for pullbacks as buying opportunities as long as they get well supported, and also the opportunity to get into a breakout here. The next major level of overhead resistance here for Brent crude oil at the moment sits just above at $57 per barrel, which is approximately an 80 cents move from where we are at the moment, and would likely take us back towards the January highs here as well. So we are looking out for the potential of a follow through move here on oil, although it may consolidate at the recent highs here until we get Tuesday Tuesday's API data and also Wednesday's crude oil inventories. But from a trade idea point of view here, pullbacks to be treated as buying opportunities whilst they get well supported, and also breakouts as well. So any breakouts back above the recent 5-month highs here would be treated as momentum trades here in order to take it back up to the next key level of resistance. Now, moving over to WTI crude oil, very similar situation to Brent crude oil. It's also been very well supported over the last week. We've seen more upside in Brent crude oil versus WTI crude oil, but you can see at the moment we're still consolidating within a relatively tight range here at the moment. So if you have a look at resistance right now is sitting approximately at $51 per barrel, and we've got support just underneath, which is currently sitting at approximately $49.50 per barrel. And in fact, on Wednesday last week, we retested $50 per barrel, which is still providing support on a closing basis. So from a trade idea point of view, we'll be looking at a similar scenario to Brent crude oil this week as well. So we expect the potential to consolidate at the highs here until we get any additional catalysts for this market to drive the price higher. If we can get a break above $51 per barrel here, we would then be looking for a revisit back towards the next key swing high here from May, which would be approximately a $1 move higher for WTI crude oil. So looking to take advantage of a breakout trade if that is presented over the course of this week. Also, whilst the price is getting well supported here, pullbacks will still be treated as buying opportunities whilst the price here remains on a closing basis above $49.50 per barrel. We've continued to see oil get well supported on every pullback here over the last couple of weeks, and it is worth noting that hedge funds have increased their net longs to 1-month highs over the last week, so that may provide further support to this market. Now, on the flip side of that, if we were to see a break and a close below this underlying trend channel, which has been supporting the price over the last month, yes, that would likely indicate that we could get a further corrected pullback. But for the time being, we are more interested in buying into pullbacks and buying into breakouts. Top trades of the week using our exclusive research-driven strategies. The top trades over the last week have included gold, oil, soybeans, and also Bitcoin. So last week on Wednesday, after the Federal Reserve signaled it was on track to raise interest rates again in December 2017, this had an immediate impact on gold prices, where we entered a sell short position right after the FOMC statement, banking 200 points profit in 24 hours. We've also capitalized on the recent breakouts here with both US oil and UK oil, and Friday hitting our profit target for 200 points profit. Alongside the energies, the grains have also had some strong support over the last couple of weeks here as they've started to form a basing formation, and we've very simply caught an additional breakout trade here on soybeans last week for 250 points profit. And finally, on the cryptocurrencies, with the recent crackdown of initial coin offerings in China and the halting of several exchanges, we've traded the weakness here on Bitcoin over the last week, selling short for 350 points profit. Would you like to join an elite community of profitable traders, get exclusive daily live trade ideas and analysis, accelerate your trading skills, and generate a consistent income? Whether you're a new trader or an experienced trader and you're looking to take your trading to that next level, the Private Members Live Trading Room is definitely for you. Private members get access to the following. You have access to our exclusive live trading room webinars. You can watch the Gold and Silver Club expert traders analyze the markets right in front of you, picking out the best trades, sharing our exact entry, exit, profit and stop loss targets on each position, as well as walk you through every actionable trading idea step by step, ready to implement for instant results. You receive real-time trade alerts delivered via email and SMS, where you get the exact buy and sell alerts along with suggested entry, exit, profit targets. All trade alerts are sent out in advance notice to make sure you have plenty of time to get into each trade at the best price for maximum profits. You also get exclusive access to our proprietary trading research to help you make smarter, well-informed trading decisions. Our unique insights and analysis ensures that you're well equipped with the most accurate technical and fundamental information you need to identify market trends early, predict future price movements, and act on every trading decision with confidence. The Private Members Live Trading Room includes exclusive live trading room webinars with interactive Q&A, daily live actionable trade ideas shared with you ready to implement, real-time trade alerts delivered instantly via email and SMS, exact details of where we enter, where we exit and place a stop loss on each trade, access to our Private Members Live Trading Room forum, ongoing support and mentoring to help you achieve long-term success, and exclusive access to our proprietary trading research and market intelligence to give you the ultimate edge in the markets. To get exclusive access to our private members live trading room, please go to www.jointhegoldensilverclub.com, complete the application form, and we will get in touch with you ASAP.